Hey, spiritual soul fam, get ready to have your minds blown, because July 25th, 2024 isn't just another day on the calendar. It's a cosmic power day filled with potential and guidance from the universe. If you're ready to tap into the magic of manifestation and align with your highest purpose, you are in the right place. Ever heard of angel numbers? They're these repeating number sequences that pop up in your life when you need them the most. Some call them coincidences, but we know better. These divine messages from your spirit guides and angels hold incredible power, revealing hidden truths and leading you towards your dream. These aren't just random digits, my friends. Angel numbers are like cosmic breadcrumbs, guiding you towards your soul's mission. Each number carries unique vibrations and meanings. And when you understand their symbolism, you unlock a powerful tool for manifesting your desired. Think of them as your personal GPS on the journey to creating the life you've always dreamed of. So, what's the big deal about July 25th? Drumroll, please. The angel number for this powerful day is 257. Hold on tight, because this angel number is here to amplify your manifestation powers and propel you forward on your path. In this video, we're diving deep into the meaning behind 257 and how you can harness its energy to manifest abundance, love, and success in every area of your life. Stay tuned, because we're about to embark on a mind-blowing journey of self-discovery and unlock the secrets to manifesting your ultimate reality. All right, let's get into the numerology behind this magical day, July 25th, 2024. Grab your calculator's cosmic crew, because we're about to break down the numbers and reveal the hidden messages they hold. Adding up the digits of this date, 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2, 4, we get 22. But wait, there's more. We reduce this number further by adding the individual digits of 22, 2 plus 2, which brings us to the powerful angel number 4. So what does angel number 4 signify? This number resonates with stability, foundation, and hard work. It's a message from the universe that you're building something solid and lasting in your life, whether it's a career, relationship, or personal growth journey. Angel number 4 assures you that your efforts are not in vain. It's a reminder to stay focused, disciplined, and persistent as you're laying the groundwork for a future filled with abundance. But that's not all. July 25th, 2024 opens up another portal of manifestation, one that is especially potent when we consider the angel number 257. Yes, friends. Angel number 257 is also highly significant on this day, representing a powerful combination of energies that can propel you toward incredible abundance. The number 2 signifies balance, harmony, and partnerships, reminding you that you're not alone on this journey. The number 5 brings a message of change, transformation, and new beginnings, urging you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. And the number 7 is all about spiritual growth, intuition, and inner wisdom, guiding you to trust your gut and follow the signs from the universe. Together, these numbers create a symphony of abundance, new beginnings, and spiritual growth. Angel number 257 is a divine invitation to align with your higher purpose. Trust the journey and open yourself to receive the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Speaking of angel number 257, I can't help but share a personal story. A few years ago, I was feeling lost and unsure of my direction in life. I was constantly seeing the number 257 everywhere, on license plates, clocks, receipts, you name it. At first, I brushed it off as a coincidence, but the more I saw it, the more curious I became. I decided to research the meaning behind this number, and what I discovered blew my mind. It was like the universe was speaking directly to me, confirming that I was on the right path and that abundance was on its way. Shortly after, I received an unexpected job offer that perfectly aligned with my passions and skills. It was a major turning point in my life, and I credit angel number 257 for guiding me towards that opportunity. But hold on to your crystals because we're not done yet. Did you know there was a full moon on July 21st, just a few days before this powerful 25th? That's right, cosmic warriors. The universe is truly showering us with blessings this month. Full moons are known for their illuminating energy, bringing hidden emotions and situations to the surface. They act like a cosmic spotlight, revealing what needs to be released and healed so we can step into our highest potential. The recent full moon in Capricorn may have stirred up some deep-seated emotions and pushed you to confront any lingering doubts or fears. But remember, this is all part of the process. By acknowledging and releasing these old patterns, you're creating space for new blessings to flow into your life. So, how can you carry over this powerful full moon energy into your July 25th ritual? Here are a few tips. Reflect on the full moon. Take some time to journal about any insights or emotions that arose during the full moon. What did you learn about yourself? What needs to be released? What are you ready to manifest? Recharge your crystals. If you work with crystals, place them under the full moon's light to cleanse and recharge their energy. You can then use these crystals in your July 25th ritual to amplify your intentions. Set powerful intentions. Take advantage of the remaining full moon energy to set clear and specific intentions for what you want to manifest on July 25th. Write them down, speak them aloud, and visualize them coming to fruition. Meditate and visualize. Spend some time meditating on your intentions and visualizing yourself already living your dream life. Feel the emotions of gratitude, joy, and abundance as if it's already happening. Create a ritual. Plan a special ritual for July 25th that incorporates your intentions, crystals, and any other tools or practices that resonate with you. Light candles, burn incense, play soothing music, and create a sacred space where you can connect with the divine energy of the universe. We will discuss a special ritual with cinnamon for this day. Stay tuned. By following these tips, you can harness the powerful energy of the full moon and channel it into your July 25th manifestation ritual. Remember, the universe is conspiring in your favor, so trust the process, believe in yourself, and watch the magic unfold. Alright, my manifestation mavens, get ready to elevate your ritual game. We're about to craft a unique and powerful manifestation ritual that combines numerology, full moon energy, and some seriously trending wellness practices. Get ready to tap into the cosmic flow and unlock your full potential. Today, we're spicing things up with cinnamon, the ultimate abundance attractor. This warm and inviting spice has been used for centuries in various spiritual traditions to enhance prosperity, attract wealth, and ignite passion. Its sweet aroma and grounding energy make it the perfect addition to our July 25th manifestation ritual. So, how do we weave this magical spice into our practice? Let's dive into our step-by-step ritual. Step 1. Set the mood. Create a sacred space in your home where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights. Light some candles. Orange or gold are perfect for abundance. And play some calming music. Consider incorporating some crystals into your space as well, such as citrine or pyrite, which are known for their wealth-attracting properties. Step 2. Ground and center. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to ground yourself in the present moment. Close your eyes and visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, anchoring you to the earth. Step 3. Invoke the angels. Call upon your spirit guides and angels to support you in your manifestation journey. You can say a simple prayer, such as Dear Angels, thank you for guiding and protecting me. Please help me manifest abundance and align with my highest purpose. Step 4. Cinnamon Ritual. Take a cinnamon stick in your hands and hold it close to your heart. As you inhale its sweet aroma, visualize yourself surrounded by abundance in every area of your life. Feel the warmth of the cinnamon igniting your passion and drive. Step 5. Write your intentions. On a piece of paper, write down your specific intentions for what you want to manifest on July 25th. Be clear, concise, and focus on what you truly desire. Remember to align your intentions with the meanings of angel numbers 4 and 257. Step 6. Cinnamon Sprinkle. Sprinkle a generous amount of cinnamon powder over your written intentions. As you do so, repeat your affirmations with conviction, such as, I am worthy of abundance, I am open to receiving unlimited blessings, and I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Step 7. Visualize. Close your eyes and visualize your intentions as if they have already manifested. See yourself living your dream life, surrounded by abundance, joy, and love. Feel the emotions of gratitude and excitement as if it's already happening. Step 8. Release and trust. Place your written intentions and cinnamon-infused paper in a safe place. Release any attachment to the outcome and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Believe that your manifestations are on their way. Step 9. Gratitude. Express your gratitude to the universe, your spirit guides, and the angels for their support and guidance. You can say a simple thank you prayer or write a gratitude list. Step 10. Daily reminder. Keep the remaining cinnamon stick in a visible place as a daily reminder of your intentions and the abundance that is flowing towards you. Remember, my friends, this ritual is just a tool to help you focus your intentions and connect with the divine energy of the universe. The most important ingredient is your belief in yourself and your ability to manifest your desires. So set your intentions high, align them with the meanings of angel numbers 4 and 257, and let the magic unfold. I hope this unique manifestation ritual inspires you to create your own personalized practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients, affirmations, and visualizations that resonate with you. The most important thing is to have fun. Trust the process and believe in the power of your intention. Wow, what a journey we've embarked on today, Cosmic Crew. We've delved into the numerology of July 25th, harnessed the full moon's energy, and crafted a unique manifestation ritual to amplify our intention. Remember, the universe is your ultimate co-creator, and with these tools, you hold the power to shape your reality. Let's recap the highlights of our cosmic adventure. We discovered the powerful angel numbers 4 and 257 guiding us on July 25th, reminding us of the importance of stability, transformation, spiritual growth, and abundance. We learned how to tap into the recent full moon's energy to supercharge our manifestations and release what no longer serves us. We crafted a unique ritual using the abundance-attracting properties of cinnamon, along with crystals and other tools, to set our intentions for a life filled with prosperity and joy. Now, it's your turn to take this knowledge and run with it. Embrace the magic of July 25th. Set your intentions high and watch as the universe conspires in your favor. Don't forget to try our cinnamon-infused manifestation ritual and let me know how it works for you. I'm so grateful for this amazing community of spiritual seekers. Your comments, shares, and likes fuel my passion for creating content that empowers and inspires. So please don't hesitate to share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you have in the comments section below. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on our spiritual journeys. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cosmic wisdom, manifestation tips, and spiritual inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and anyone who could use a little extra magic in their lives. As we close this chapter, remember that you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your wildest dream. Trust in the universe, believe in yourself, and never stop reaching for the stars. Until next time, keep shining your light and spreading your love.